Okay, new clip. Is everything out of focus? Any big plants here? I can't see too many around here. Not at the moment anyway. Not like they were in previous seasons where they're, you know, a couple of hundred plants sort of thing. Yeah, here's the ones here. They seem to have lost their bronzy colour. Go down low for Ross Graham. I hope the super macro function works. But yeah, they seem to have lost their bronzy colour. That's a bit strange. It's just golden colour now. So yeah, nothing here really. Nothing to write home about anyway. Yeah. Oh well. So I started another clip now and walk in here on macro and see what that does. Okay, over.